So this video is about a month late, or even longer than that, but I have a story that I want to tell about what we ate over July 4th Independence Day weekend, where she and a group of friends had the infamous balut. I found the balut. I have acquired the balut. I'm going to put it into safekeeping now, though.
It doesn't look any different.
Yeah, you're right. It doesn't look any different.
They're so big.
Because they're grown. Oh. Oh, the box doesn't even close. Now we're off to celebrate the 4th of July. Cooking balut was surprisingly easy. 45 minutes, boil it in water, which left us enough time to look up how to enjoy balut. We're watching a video on how to eat balut.
Oh, look at these! There it is, that's what I was saying. Okay, good.
So that girl on the right's like, that's not how you do it. You see the eye?
Oh, was that an eye?
Okay, egg now.
Oh my god.
Salt?
Oh, they're the same duck. I want to look at it.
We watched a bunch of videos on how to enjoy balut, and it really set the stage for everyone's excitement level.
Out of 10, as 10 being super excited.
8. 5.
2.
6.
6.
Yeah, 6.
6. Oh, okay.
6. Like 3.
10.
Oh, I hear the alarm.
I'm not the most experienced one. We've all collectively had one or however many.
Justin gets to pick last.
Oh, I know this one.
My excitement level is dropping. I'm not gonna lie. Ladies and Carl. Well, Justin.
What the f? It wasn't the sinker.
He tricked us.
Okay, wide part on top.
Okay, and then
Everybody got the spoon.
Oh, this is really going into it.
this is it.
Oh my
the moment
god.
we've been waiting for.
Oh man.
Oh, it's happening.
I
smell
I
egg.
can see it.
Don't look at it.
I'm sorry.
Egg.
Membrane off.
All right. What membrane? I got the soup. Oh, this membrane.
Guys, I'm really glad I could experience this with you.
All right, are we gonna cheers this?
It might as well.
Sure.
Cheers.
My excitement level is dropping quick.
Well, that's tasty as hell,
tastes like
man.
egg.
It tastes real good. It tastes like chicken soup.
Yeah, it actually
Licking my
does.
fingers. All right, I'll eat it.
You're
I'll eat
fine.
everything. I don't care.
Oh, look at this shit.
Wait, which one?
Why did you scream?
Is this the bird?
No, it's just so good.
Oh, no, I see the bird.
Oh.
This is not the bird.
I got no fear in me right now.
Fuck it.
I ate it. I got some feather membrane.
Oh, my yolk is on the bottom.
This is like that YouTube
I'm done.
screenshot.
You good? You're good? She's good.
Uh-oh.
She's good. Uh-oh. I see face.
You need a plate.
Uh-oh. What's happening?
Yeah, I've been fucking feathers.
Do it. You could use this plate.
Oh, Tiff's face.
Is that like intestine?
You don't dissect.
Don't eat. Don't look at it. Just eat it.
Me too. There's yolk.
The yolk is good.
Mine's
I
done.
found, the yolk was at the bottom.
Tiff's face looks real sad.
It's good.
There's like little,
This is what I remember. It was good.
Yeah.
little bones in there that look.
Mine was okay. I was pulling out.
Thanks,
I
guys.
was pulling out feathers and bones.
Yeah, you have a developed one? Do you have a beak?
Yeah.
Because yours is the one that sunk.
This is.
Nope. Oh, mine.
Oh.
That's why. I took a bite and I was like, I was pulling shit out.
There's a liver.
Oh, I like liver.
Oh, yeah.
There's one part, when you get to it, you'll know that you can't eat it. Like, this thing is
super
too hard to eat.
Oh. Okay,
So if you can chew it, then you can eat it.
We're good. We're good.
Look, there's an arm.
Stop dissecting it. She's not even eating it. She's just like
Just identify
This is
the
like
body part.
biology class.
Look, look.
here, look.
What is that?
There's the wing.
Oh shit, it really is.
Oh my god. Alright, I didn't need to see that. I did not need to see that.
Look at it.
Oh, well, Joe's going after it.
Yes.
Yeah. And salty. It's alright.
Oh, I see a bone. Oh, that's definitely a little
Here comes
bone.
the dissection again.
Look at this little bone.
That's a little bird.
It's a little bone. Oh, I
see
saw
the
that.
neck?
I see it. Don't look at it. Don't look at it. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is not salty enough.
I've never heard you say that
Bone is
before.
so delicate.
I almost puked twice.
Almost, yeah.
When?
It was all confident going in, then it was in there like. I think I swallowed bones also.
At a certain point, you're
I just committed.
My excitement level went back up. It went down.
Oh my
And now it's
god.
back up.
Alright, fuck it.
Yeah.
Okay.
We have to put it on a spoon. Hold on.
Oh.
I salted that shit up.
Is that a feather?
This is the neck.
No, it is.
Stop dissecting it.
Let's do this.
Wait, Des. You get yours.
Cheers.
Sauce over it.
Cat's eyes.
Bailey was like comforting me throughout this process.
She knew.
Head was on my
Therapy
leg.
dog. I thought it would be worse.
Was like
That'd be worse.
Yeah, I expected like full on feathers, like
Like half grown.
salt.
Crush that.
After, we had a lovely time with Des and Joseph, and then we headed out to New York to Tiffin Carl's to enjoy the fireworks. We got those VIP seats up here. Barge is right there. Oof, what a 4th of July. Balut, Bailey, barges,
board games.
board games,
Lots of bees.
wine. Wow. How do I look?
Derpy.